Hello dears, welcome to Beauty with a Heart. I'm Liling, also known as Lulu. Today I'll be sharing with you what are the top 3 cruelty-free items I will buy if I lost all my makeup. I was watching this video in the morning from Emily Noel 83, but instead of 3, she was sharing 10. So I was thinking, under what kind of circumstances will I lost all my makeup? So probably zombie attack, car accident, or lost in a forest. But either which, I don't think I will be in the mood to make up. But if die have to name 3, this will be the 3. So let's get started. First, I'll go to my nearest either Guardian Pharmacy or Watsons to get the products. That is to say, I won't buy from online because it will take a long time for me to receive these products. That's like Colourpop, which is not in Singapore, and maybe Revolution Beauty, which I have to order online, and BH Cosmetics. So I'll go for Guardian Pharmacies and Watsons. And my first product is this! The Australis Eye Bronze It. It comes with a mirror and 3 colors. This is the eyebrow wax, these 2 are the powders. This is the medium color and this is the lighter color. And comes with these mini tweezers to plug the eyebrow hair, and also these 2 ended brushes. While I don't really like the wax because I find that it's very waxy, it's smudged, I really like these 2 powder. It's very fine and very pigmented. So sometimes I will also use these 2 as the eyeshadow. So multifunctional. My second pick will be this Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. Waterproof. I love this concealer the most in my collection. I find that this is very easily blendable. It doesn't crease into my fine lines because I have lots of fine lines over here, and if any concealer settles into the fine lines, it instantly will make me look 10 years older. It covers my dark circles, and most importantly, it's waterproof. That means I can cry all I want. And this item will be this Essence Deep Eyeliner in waterproof. This is my holy grail eyeliner because my eye is very oily and a lot of things will smudge on me. But this doesn't. So that means at the end of the day, I will not have a panda eyes. And I love the fact that it is a very intense black color. And it's very affordable. Alright, that's all for my sharing today. Last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. Start with today and start with yourself. Do not procrastinate and do not rely on others. Especially true to me because recently I've been feeling very lethargic. And yes, what are your 3 most important items, makeup items to buy if you lost all your makeup? Please comment in the comment section below, or if you like to, please do a video about it. And please share with me the link when you are done. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please help me to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and click the bell notification button. Thank you so much. May you dears have a peaceful, blissful, and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye.